Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have the OnePlus 13R and I'm going to talk about the 6000 mAh battery of this phone. So it is 12:34 right now and the phone, as you can see, is at 100%, and we are going to go through the day. I'm going to put my SIM card in this phone and we are going to go throughout the day to check how this battery life goes. 6000 mAh over here, and does it survive an entire day? So let's get into the video. Before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. We need to get this channel to 1 million subscribers, so this journey cannot be done without you. So let's subscribe, do share it as well. And now let's go. So first things first, the battery, as you can see, is at 100%, and it is saying that it can last about 1 day, 2 hours and 10 minutes, which is fantastic. There are different battery modes like high performance, where it can last for 1 day 52 minutes, balance mode, power saving mode, super power saving mode. So I'm going to keep it at balance mode because that is what an average person would use it at. So I'm going to keep it like that. The charging settings, so I do keep my smartphone charged only at 100% no matter what I'm using, iPhone, Android, whatever it is. But for now, I have charged it to 100% to see the entire battery capacity. As you can see, it's been 4 minutes since the last charge and screen on since 3 minutes. So I've just used it. And the last video, which is PUBG, which went online last week, have it a look. It was amazing to see how and what the phone did, and it didn't even drop that kind of battery. So with that, let's begin the day with the OnePlus and see how it goes. I'm going to take a few snaps, a few videos, all of that, and there are a couple of videos coming up on the channel. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any queries regarding this phone or any other phone, and I'm happy to help you guys. Now let's get into the video. So guys, we are at almost 2 p.m. now, and I'm using Waze to navigate. Generally, I use my car display, but today for only testing purposes, I'm using my phone to navigate so that you guys can get a good picture of what's going on if you use your phone for navigation. And the other thing is that I'm looking at a very strong battery life. No heavy usage till now except a little bit of maps, but yes, through the day there will be some heavy usage in terms of the maps. And yeah, I'm listening to music, I'm doing everything with very less battery life in question over here. Plus the Bluetooth is also on, so you can see that. And shout out to SK Suresh for commenting on one of my videos. Do keep commenting like this so that I can keep showing you guys who is commenting and what they're commenting on. Okay, cool. So guys, one more update. We are at 87% and the phone is doing absolutely amazing, and it's 4 p.m. now. You can imagine the amount of battery this thing has now. Fantastic. Okay guys, so we are at 83% battery right now at 17:30, so 5:30. Let's take a few nice pictures over here. So this is how the wide lens is of the phone, and let's do an ultra wide as well, and that is the 2x zoom. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? That is 20x. Okay guys, now we are at 56% and it has been more than 12 hours now. The phone is doing extremely well, and I'm going to give one more shout out to Irshadli, if I'm pronouncing that right. So she's watching it from their OnePlus 13R. Fantastic. Okay, now let's go to the battery. There you go. Okay, so 56%, you have 14 hours 37 minutes still left, and yeah, screen on has not been so great, so it has been 2 hours 24 minutes. So no wonder that the battery life is that much. But if you see, I've done a video call, I have done maps, I have done Chrome, I've used some other apps as well. So yeah, quite a lot of apps over there, and the phone has been really good in balanced mode. Now I'm going to do something which no one else does. I will give you an update tomorrow morning as well. I'm going to leave this phone as it is and let it be on standby, because on standby I see that many phones drop a lot of battery. Will the OnePlus 13R survive the night? Let's see, and let me know down in the comment section what next do you want to see. Now to the next part. So guys, now comfortably I am in the next day, and I purposely let it go above 12 hours so that we can see the actual difference. So the battery dropped to now 38%, so around a 10 to 12% decrease. And if you see, screen on time obviously wasn't much because I did not use it through the night. And I can safely say that the battery optimizations of the OnePlus 13R are really good, because the battery did not drop significantly, and all night it was on Wi-Fi, so it was downloading updates, it was doing everything. The other thing is that there was an increase in Instagram usage a little bit in the night, because that is how people would do it. So I also did that. So the whole premise of this test was to see whether the OnePlus 13R can survive a normal usage pattern. So if I'm looking at normal usage, you would do Instagram, you would do Google Meet, you would do maybe a little bit of Maps, Chrome, Google searches, all of that. And that is what I have been doing on this device for the past 1 or 2 days rather now. And the battery has been really good. So yes, I could have done something extraordinary, but maybe playing games for another 2 hours or something, but that doesn't give you a good battery test, is what I think. Let me know down in the comment section if you agree with me on this. But the 6000 mAh battery plus the system optimizations which OnePlus has put in Oxygen OS, they are a killer combination. What do you think? And let's talk on it. And that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.